I'm exposing myself right now. My bedroom is in shambles. I'm not even gonna show you the rest of it. So if you have beige walls like myself, do not be discouraged because there's plenty of inspiration out there where you can have beige walls and still have a very muted, neutral, luxury style bedroom or living room. I've created a very cozy atmosphere in my bedroom by just refreshing the paint. Okay, so I've decided to attempt a headboard reupholstering with this linen curtain that I got from Goodwill for $6. It is Threshold collection at Target, and it's pretty thick material, so I think it'd be great as like a reupholstering fabric. And I'm just going to wrap it around this old one that I have. It's very out of date, gray, tufted. It's just not cute. So we're gonna see how it works. So this is one curtain panel that I'll be using just for the headboard. Just going to iron out some wrinkles and then begin to staple around the entire perimeter so that way I can have a tight reupholstered headboard. It's very simple and easy, and luckily this one panel fit this headboard perfectly. This is a queen size headboard and these are 84-inch curtains. Now it's time for me to work on the frame of the bed frame, and let me show you exactly why this reupholstering is so necessary. Because my cat, I can't believe I'm reupholstering this bed with only $12 curtain set from Target. So this is, I thought this was going to be a tricky part, but it's actually really simple. I just cut this other curtain panel into equal 3-part sections. That way I can have one for each side and then the foot of the bed. Now here are the 3 sections that I'll be using for the sides of the bed. And as you see, I did remove the legs so that way the bed frame is now very flat to the ground or the floor. For that very more like modern modular look, I just think it looks more new and modern that way without those bulky legs. So here I have wrapped the fabric around each side, and I'm just going to do the same as I did before and just staple the inner part all the way down. I actually was supposed to take this bed frame apart and do each section individually, but I was by myself and I just figured I'm just gonna see if I can do it while it's still in one piece, and it worked. So I just had to use some vases and baskets to kind of lift it from the floor. Yeah, so I just had to figure out, you know, fold the corners like a present and make it look really nice and neat. And then I would be able to get under there and start stapling and make it nice and taut. And here is the finished look. I absolutely love it. It's very simple, neutral, modern, and sleek, chic, everything. I just really, really love it, especially removing those legs. And it's that perfect like tone on tone with the wall. And I'm gonna be using this textured fabric wall art above the bed by Studio McGee. It comes in a set, but the other piece is in another bedroom right now. And I have actually hung it horizontally, that way it can be more cohesive with the bed since the headboard is horizontal as well. Now it's time to give my mirror a bit of an update. I've had a lot of trial and error with this mirror, but I'm gonna cut out most of it because it's unnecessary footage. I actually could have skipped this step altogether because I'm going to be spray painting the entire frame right after this, but Yeah, so this is like wood panel that I had glued to this mirror originally. And now I'm gonna add some spackling to the frame so I can have like a textured, earthy look. At least that's what I was going for. So yeah, just gonna add some spackle randomly to the frame. Like I said, there was plenty of trial and error, and I don't know what I was doing. Is that like splattered blood? I don't know what I was doing. But anyway, I'm just going to completely spray paint this frame with this spray paint from Walmart, the camouflage Rust-Oleum spray paint. I see a lot of people use this to like replicate rattan furniture, but I just want to have like a monochromatic, like tone beige cream type of bedroom, so that's why I'm going with this color. Although it ended up looking like smeared peanut butter, we're just gonna leave it as is because yeah. Now I'm just gonna give you an update before I add the finishing touches. So while the mirror is drying outside, I cannot find a dresser that is affordable, that I like, that is long enough to fit my 60-inch TV, so we're just not gonna film this side of the room. I will be styling the bed. I have a new mattress that I'm so excited to finally use. The bed frame is great. This bench will be going at the foot of my bed, and the only thing I have to do is patch up those holes over there and tidy up that corner. It's now finally time to get the bed ready. I am removing all of this, the old mattress as well. I will be placing my new mattress on a box spring because it just fits the bed frame better, because the frame is very low to the ground, and I'm just not a fan of like the slats. I've never felt comfortable sleeping on those, so if this is ghetto, oh well, I like it. It's more comfortable. I've always wanted a mattress in a box. This mattress is from Avenco. It's a full memory foam mattress, so there's no springs, which is what I've always wanted. I've always slept with bed with a spring, and it wasn't like the good kind of spring, and I just felt like it hurts my back. So I'm testing out this memory foam mattress by Avenco. As you see, you just take it out of the box, unwrap it, and it literally just unfolds before your eyes on your bed frame. It does take about 72 hours for it to get to its full form, but instantly I felt the soft and plushness of this mattress. It's a medium plush feel. It doesn't really sink you in. It only like goes in a little bit. Like it doesn't like feel like I'm drowning, which I think most people would think a memory foam mattress would do. The main reason I chose this particular mattress is because its cooling technology. It is certified gel-infused memory foam that adjusts to the mattress temperature for increased cooling and better breathability. I am a hot person. I'm always hot when I sleep, so I thought this would be perfect for me. It actually comes with a little blade for you to open it with, but I was too excited and I just used a knife. It also comes with this pamphlet full of information about your mattress. Avenco has a 10-year warranty on their mattress. They recommend that you test your body on the mattress for at least 2 months. They also offer a 100-day trial policy after your purchase, and if you still do not like it, they offer free returns or exchanges. Now, I am filming this a few days after, so I have slept on the mattress for a couple of days now. It's so soft. I haven't had any back pains or neck pains once I wake up in the morning like I usually do. So if you're interested in this mattress, please check the description box below for your discount code that they have so kindly offered to all of my subscribers. Now, I'm also excited to share that I am upgrading to full 100% Egyptian cotton sheets. This is the Valentino set by Luxor Linen, and oh my goodness, the difference. Like, they're so breathable. Like, now I know why Egyptian cotton is like a thing. This material is just amazing. I've already been sleeping on these sheets. That's why they're wrinkled. I have washed them and they still have that super soft, breathable, cooling material. And I just wanted to really upgrade my bedding because the bedroom is just a sanctuary for me. I want to feel completely relaxed and comfortable when I'm sleeping. These sheets are the perfect addition to my new mattress for such a luxury sleeping experience. I'll also have these linked below in the description box as well. As you can see, it's already coming together. Now I'm going to be adding my favorite duvet set from Casaluna at Target. You guys already know. If you haven't seen my capsule bedding video, go watch that right now. It's linked below. I wanted to add a few pops of color to the decorative pillows. That way it can tie in with the art piece above the bed, and also because the entire bed is already white and cream, and this will add a perfect touch. Okay, so the bed is looking so good. I'm so excited, but now I'm down to the throw blankets and I can't decide what will go best with this look. So I already decided this is gonna clash with the rug. It's just way too similar and it's gonna look bad. The orange one, it's actually a lot muted off camera. But that ties in with the artwork above the bed. It's like the muted terracotta kind of color in that. And then this one is like a good neutral one to go, but this, I'm not feeling like the really thick stripes. So it's between these two. So I'm gonna test out these two and see which one goes best. So almost instantly, I knew this one was a no-brainer. The orange one was it was just a little bit off-putting with everything else. So this is the perfect fit. Now all I have to do is style this corner and this corner as well. But first, I want to show you my favorite DIY of this video, which is adding this light to the wall to make a little DIY wall sconce for the side of the bed, like a little reading light. It is nice how it is here on the nightstand, but this way I'll make some more room on the nightstand for decorative pieces or whatever I have. So basically I'm going to be removing the glass dome of this light and I'm just going to mount the base to the wall. And it just looks very chic, especially with the vintage Edison bulb there. And I'm just gonna do my best to disguise that cord with some decorative items on the nightstand. And because the base is a little bit heavy, I'm gonna be using this drywall hook that holds for about 30 to 50 pounds. I love using these hooks for everything on my walls. They are really good. And I'm just going to add some type of hardware to the back for it to hang on to. So first I'm going to remove the light bulb, of course, keep that protected. Now this material of the base is not real wood. It's like some type of very hard mold, so it was very tough to drill through, but I was able to create this little mechanism on the back with 2 screws and some very strong galvanized wire. Now I'm just gonna find my spot on the wall and twist and push that drywall hook right in the wall, and there you have it. I just hung this right on that hook and it's so sturdy and strong. It's not gonna fall or anything. I'm so proud of this. And just to give the wire a cleaner look, I'm adding some Velcro strips to the wall and to the light switch. I'm almost considering tracking down another one of these just so I can add one to the other side. Now I'm just going to add a few final touches to this nightstand before the reveal. I'm going to be adding my favorite candle right now, Gold Coast by Alchemy Studios. This smells amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.